kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are learn numbers. So let's get start. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. 11. Number 11. 12. Number 12. 13. Number 13. 14. Number 14. 15. Number 15. And at last we are making a cute little smiley for happy kids. So kids, today we are learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So kids, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. We see you in next video. Till then, bye.